In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a file to the D2L assignments Dropbox, which is where you would normally submit Word files, potentially PowerPoint files or PDF files, etc. So the first thing to know is that the assignments Dropbox is under Assessments. So you go to the Assessments tab, click on Assignments. And I call it the assignments Dropbox because it used to be called the Dropbox. So that is why I call it that. Some people just call it assignments. And in your course, you will have a folder that should have some kind of description. And if something is due, I will always also put a due date on it so that you are able to identify the folder both by the title of the assignment and when something is due. And when you're ready to submit, you'll click on the actual name or category title. And it'll say a bunch of stuff that you don't really need to read, but you will need to add a file. So no matter what, you have to attach a file in order to submit something to the D2L Dropbox. So I'm going to say add a file. You can locate it on your computer, or if you have a flash drive or a thumb drive, you can locate the file there. Click upload. Let's say, okay, I'm going to upload task number 3 here. I'm quickly just going to double check, did it upload the right one? Task 3, yep. So then I click add. And I'm just going to double check again. Task 3, that's correct. This comments box is optional unless your instructor tells you to put something in it. I never tell people to put anything in it. But it's your opportunity if you want to say something to say that. However, don't copy and paste everything that's in the file and put it in the comments section. It's unnecessary, and it actually causes issues on the instructor end with fitting everything on one page. And yeah, so just don't copy and paste the whole thing. But if you have a question or a comment that's not urgent, you can put it there. If it's an urgent question or comment, you would want to email that to me to make sure I see it right away. Otherwise, it might be a few days before I see the comment or question, and then it might be too late. So once you've attached it, you've added a file, yep, it's the right one. You may or may not have put a comment in here. You can click submit. And it will tell you file submission successful. It'll show you which file that you submitted. You can click on it to check if you'd like. And then it will also tell you that it sent you an email that you successfully submitted it, and that will go to your MyHennepin Tech email address. Another way to double check that it was successfully submitted and you submitted the right file is to go to submission here, click on that, and it will tell you, oh, you submitted this file. It tells you when it was submitted as well. And you can click on it, download it, and open it up on your computer to check to make sure you've submitted the right thing. Because typically instructors do not like accepting late work because the wrong file was submitted. Some people let you do it once or twice and let you get away with it. Other people will say, nope, it's your responsibility to submit the right file. If you don't submit the right file on time, then you're not going to get points. So definitely worth it to double check. And the way I have the Dropbox set up, I let you submit as many files as you want. So if you submit one and then you have unexpected extra time to work on it some more, you can go ahead and work on it and then submit it again. As long as it's before the due date, the deadline, you can keep submitting files if you'd like. And I will just look at the last file that's submitted before the deadline when it's due. And eventually, once it gets scored, you'll see your score out of score here, and then you'll have a little icon here that says feedback, and you'll be able to click on that and read the feedback on your assignment.